Okay, wait. You would never guess this used to be a vintage shirt. Okay, so at first, I was literally gonna throw the shirt away because every time I put it on, I don't even know why, but it made me look so much older. But then, when I look at it again, I realize this shirt is actually really pretty. These little vintage buttons are so cute. And honestly, it looks kinda expensive too. The stitching is really delicate and the fabric feels super soft. So I started thinking, maybe I should try remaking it instead. I started taking the whole shirt apart. And honestly, there was no going back after this. Okay, now I'm starting to redraw the pattern. I was actually so nervous during this part because if I cut it wrong even a little, that's basically game over. So I had to adjust the pattern really carefully. Honestly, turning a vintage shirt into a baby doll top was way harder than I expected because there really wasn't that much fabric to work with. So while I was drafting the pattern, I had to plan everything really carefully. I still wanted the top to have that soft, flowy shape, and if I cut even a little too much, I was basically gonna run out of fabric. So I ended up adjusting the pattern over and over again. Okay, and here's the final result. I honestly didn't expect this shirt to turn out this different. It feels so much softer now, and honestly, it looks way younger too. But my favorite part is, it still kept that vintage feel. Like, this finally feels like something I'd actually wear now.